Hello, students. Today we will be reviewing slope-intercept form by doing this worksheet. What happened to the guy who fell into an upholstery machine? Use the slope and y-intercept to graph each equation. The graph, if extended, will cross a letter. Write this letter in the box containing the exercise number. So we will have three graphs on this, or three equations on this. So you'll have three lines on this same graph. First one, y equals 3/4 x minus 2. I'm going to circle my b, or my y-intercept, -2. And I'm also going to circle the sign. So I go to my y-axis and I go to -2 and I put my point there. Then whatever's in front of x is my slope. So this is rise over run. So we rise 3, 1, 2, 3, and run 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And if I want, I can go down 3 and go over 4. Then I'm going to make a line, and if it's extended, and it's kind of hard to do with this angle, but I'm going to try and do it anyway. Extend it out, it goes through U. So I see 1 is U, so I go down to the bottom, wherever 1 is, and I put a U there. Okay. So let's do the same process with number 2. Again, I circle +1. That's the y-axis right here. I go to +1 right there. Then I do my slope. Oh, it's not a fraction. Well, if it's a whole number, we're going to put it over 1. So negative means from here, I'm going to go down 2, 1, 2, and over 1. And I can do that again, down 2 over 1. And again, down 2 over 1. I can also go up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1. Now, some people in the beginning might think it's going through K, and it's not going to go through K. So we can go ahead and draw all of our dots together. And we can see it's going to go through E. So E down here, we find number 2 and we put E. Okay. Next, I'm going to go ahead and do number 3. And actually, I might jump to a different one. Like I'm going to jump over here and do number 7. If there's nothing added to it, we can put a +0. Then we know where to start. We start right there. Rise, if it's a negative right there, I'm going to put it on top and cross it out there. So rise negatively means go down 1. So I'm going to go down 1 and over 2. Down 1 over 2. Up 1 over 2. Up 1 over 2. So guess what that's going to go through? L. Okay. All right, the only other hard one I think might be 13 and 14. So if we want to look at 13 or 14, a minute here. The temperature is -6 degrees Celsius, -6. Oh, and I'm going to notice here, they're not going by 1s, are they? They're going by 2s, because 0, if you need to, you can write this in so that you know it's going by 2s. It's not going by 1 to go up. And this is going to be -2, -6. But the time is still going by 1. See how 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Time is still going by 1, but this is going by 2s. So the temperature is -6 degrees Celsius. So that's going to be our B right there. And rising at a rate of 2 degrees per hour. So if it's rising 2 degrees, see how that's 2 and then over 1. 2 degrees, the whole number, 2 over 1. And then up 2 over 1. So it seems like we're going 1 over 1, but we're really going 2 over 1 because this is showing it's 2 going by 2s, not by 1. So if I draw that straight out, I see that it's going to be V. So right there is V. So 13 down here, I put a V. And then I'm done with that one. And as a reminder, If there's nothing in front of x right here, we're going to put a 1. This will be negative 1x. This is 1x. Now, if they're whole numbers, you want to put them over 1, so you know rise over run. And you know if it's negative, that's going to be down 1, right 1. Okay? And as a reminder, y equals will be a horizontal line. X equals is going to be a vertical line. Okay? Hopefully you can get the rest of this, students. You rock!